Rob Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, it's Don Juan. We back with another review. We back in the stock room. So today, you've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the intro to the video. We're gonna be reviewing the Jordan 11 Low Space Jams. So, for this pair, I only went for one pair. They did pretty good as far as selling. They sold out on most sites. Now you do have restocks happening here and there, but I only went for one pair. I copped my pair off JD Sports. They sent out exclusive access earlier in the week, so I just copped it from there, in-store pickup, and I didn't even go for another pair or any other foot sites or sneakers or anything like that. So I only needed one pair of these. I was pretty confident that I was going to secure a pair, so I only went for one pair of these. So it's going to be a quick review. I'm going to just do the review just right here, put it right in front of the camera instead of switching the camera angles and things of that nature. It's not too much to the shoe, so it's going to be a quick review. I do want to bring you to on foot so you can really see how they look on foot. I do think this is a nice summer shoe, and I think they're going to look good, with white socks, shorts, maybe no-show ankle socks, things of that nature. So, without further ado, let's get right into the review. So, of course, it comes with your standard OG Jordan box that comes with your 11s like they did back in the day, with your Nike branding there on the front. Of course, you got your Nike branding, Jordan branding all on the back of the box. And then we got the sizing tag, so it reads Air Jordan 11 Retro Low Black Varsity Royal White. I got a size 10.5. So this is my personal pair, size 10.5. Cool. Probably could go up to a size 11 in my Jordan 11 lows, but I'll just stick with my 10.5. And also it comes with the carbon fiber paper. Open that, and then there's the shoes. So let me take out the shoes. See if anything else that comes in the box. You got your green and white stamp there. And above that, you have your box dimensions right above that. And that's pretty simple. That's all that's gonna come with the box. I do say, it is a pretty big box for the low top shoes. It leaves a lot of room in here inside the shoe. So let's go ahead and get into it. Jordan 11 Low Space Jams. All right, cool. Let me loosen these up. Well, I'll just keep it like that for now. So let's start with the outsole. So the outsole, you got your classic Jordan 11 outsole. Beautiful outsole, one of the best outsoles on a Jordan, if you ask me. Got your Varsity Royal hits on the heel and on the forefoot. You got your translucent outsole with your Jumpman right there in the middle. You got your carbon fiber. Got to tap it every time. See that right there. As we move up to the upper of the shoe, got your black patent leather going throughout the upper of the shoe. You got your white midsole. You got your black, what do we call this? Mesh, black mesh, no leather. This is original. Kept it OG with the black mesh, which I prefer. Actually, the leather's not bad, but I prefer the black mesh. The back of the shoe, you got your black or your white 23 and your mini. I hate that mini Jumpman. I just don't like the way it looks, but you gotta have something back there. So you got your mini Varsity Royal Jumpman right there on the back with your white 23. Black rope speed laces, and on the front of the shoe, let me spread the laces so you can see this. Front of the shoe, instead of Jordan Jumpman or Jumpman Jordan, you have the Jordan Jam. So it says Jordan Jam, and if you turn it sideways, let me turn it this way, you can probably read it better. It says Jumpman Jam. And basically this is off the Space Jam movie that came out, originally in like 1996. He had these on, that's where they debuted, but then he did wear them during the playoffs when he came back out of retirement. So and it's funny because I was reading up on this, and I I had to double check because I remember the originals when they came out, the OGs had Jumpman Jam on the middle there. After that, all the retros had Jumpman Jordan or Jordan Jumpman on the middle right end of the shoe. So they kept it true to the OG. Even the color, Varsity Royal, that's the original color of the original pair, the OGs. Let's see what we got inside. So inside you got your shoe paper. Got your Varsity Royal Jumpman with your sizing tag and black sock liner. And you got your black insole as well. On the back of the tongue, of course, it reads, quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. You know, that's going to be a staple on all the Jordan 11s. That's how they're going to come with that writing. So that's it. That's pretty much it of the shoe. You know, I'm not sure how many people went for a pair. You know, of course we would like the OGs. Of course, we would prefer that, but this will be a nice substitute for now until we get the OGs. I think normally, most of the time when they bring out an OG colorway of a low, normally the high follows like a year or two later. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna get the OG highs at some point in this original form with the Jumpman Jam and the Varsity Royal hits on it as well. So just be patient, I'm sure they're coming. But for right now, these would definitely do. And I think these are perfect timing as far as coming in the summertime. These are a perfect summer shoe, low tops. People like to wear low tops in the summer, let your ankles breathe, let your legs get a little ankles and legs get a little breather. And yeah, man, I think this is a nice shoe. It's a nice cop, $190, low pricey for a low top, you know, but it's a Jordan 11, so, you know, we expect inflation, things of that nature, price is gonna go up. But I think this was a solid cop. I wasn't gonna cop this pair until I started seeing, you know, some on feet looks and you know, the color that they added to this as well, like the Varsity Royal. You know, I was like, yeah, why not? Let's go ahead and just grab them, do a review, put a fit together with them, do it on foot, and keep them for the summer. So yeah, comment down below if you went for a pair, if you doubled up, or you just went for a single pair, and you know, how you gonna rock this pair. You can rock it with shorts, pants, jeans. You know, it's versatile. You can rock it with anything. So for me, I'm gonna rock it today when I do the on foot. I got this Tupac shirt on. I got Hood Rich black and white cargo nylon pants with some blue hits in it. And you know, we're gonna rock it out like that. Black and blue LA hat. Keep it real simple and clean. So what we're gonna do now, let's go ahead and jump into this on foot. And you know, if you're new to the channel, thank you for watching. If you're an OG, I appreciate you for sticking with me. We're on the road to 1,000, like I said, you know, and yeah, we're gonna keep grinding. So until the next cop, until the next review, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.